Hi everyone, it's Katie from Crafty Creations. Welcome back to my channel. Today's beading tutorial is going to be this bracelet today. I initially called this the Midnight Sparkle bracelet, but because it can be done in any type of beads or colors, I decided to just change it to the Sparkle bracelet. And today we're going to be learning the first part. This is part 1, which is where we're going to learn how to make the first row on the bracelet, which is going to be the flat spiral stitch. And to do this, you're going to need, we'll go ahead and get into the materials. You're going to need 21 6mm round beads. And let me scoot these into frame here. Today I'm going to be using these coppery gold beads. So you need 21 of those. You're going to need some 11-0 seed beads, and I'm using these crystal seed beads. You're going to need 40 of whatever your accent bead is, and today I'm going to be using these white beads that I got off of a necklace that somebody had given me that was part of some costume jewelry. Thought they were pretty neat looking beads. So we're going to be using those, and you're going to need some beading thread. I'm using my Nymo size B in white, a size 12 beading, 10, 11, 12. Right now I'm using, I believe this one's a size 11 beading needle. And you're going to need some scissors to cut your thread with. Alright, so let's go ahead and clear this off, and we'll get started with making the flat spiral stitch. Okay. So we're back, and I forgot to mention you're going to need a stop bead. I'm just using this weird little wood bead that I found. So you're going to go ahead and take, I'm going to say I got about a wingspan and a half of thread on my needle. You're going to take your stop bead, and you're going to bring it down towards the end. Leave yourself about anywhere between a 4 to 6 inch tail. Come back up from the bottom, just to secure your stop bead on your thread. Now to start this, you're going to pick up 2 of your 6mm round beads. I dropped one. Oops. Let me go pick that up. I'll be right back. Okay, I got it. So we're going to put on, hold on. Okay, had a little bit of gunk stuck in my bead there. So put on 2 of your 6mm round beads. There we go. You're going to slide those down to your stop bead. And my thread just does not want to cooperate with me today. Okay, so you should have this, and you're going to pick up 4 of your 11-0 seed beads. Okay, so on your needle you're going to put 4 of your 11-0 seed beads. You're going to pick up 1 of your, well, in my case the white weird looking bead, but whatever your accent bead is, and then 4 more of your 11-0 seed beads. 1, 2, 3, and 4. You're going to slide those down. Just like that. You're going to come up through the 2 6-0 seed beads, or your 6-0 beads. In my case it's the copper. You're going to come up from the bottom through both. Pull your thread. Just like that. You should have something that looks like this. Just like that. Okay. Now again, we're going to pick up 4 11-0 seed beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, another white bead, 4 11-0 seed beads, 1, 2, come on, little bead, 3, and 4. Again, you're going to bring those down. Just like so. Again, you're going to come up through the bottom 2 beads, through your 2 6mm. Pull your thread through. Just like that. And it should look something like this. You want one on both sides. Just like that. Now, the next step on this is we're going to add one more of our 6mm. Slide it down. Just like so. And we're going to pick up 4 seed beads. 1, 2, 3, 4, 1 white bead, and 4 seed beads. 1, 2, 3, and 4. We're going to slide them down just like you did before. Just like that. And this some people can hold it in their hand. I'm kind of not that, my hands don't want to work that well today, so, but I wanted to shoot this video anyway, so I'm going to just kind of hold my beads, keep my beads on my mat, but instead of going through all 3, you're only going to go through these 2. See if I can pick it up to show you which ones I'm talking about. We're only going to go through this one right here and the new one that you just added. You're just going to come up through those 2 beads. Put those positioned back where I had them. Sorry, my house is a little cold today. We're kind of having a winter storm warning in the middle of February, so it got a little cold in here, so I'm wearing my jacket, which the sleeves are a little bit long. I've got short little arms, so okay. Apparently it doesn't want me to do it that way, so okay. Sorry about that. I didn't realize I ran out of space, and I finished up the second side on that one that we were just working on. So I'm gonna do one more with you, and then I'll come back and I'll do the last one with you. So let's go ahead and do this next one. So you're gonna add your 6mm. And you're going to do 4 of your 11-0s. Three. And 4. Then one of your white beads. 4 of your 11-0s. 1, 2, 3, 4. Bring those down. Okay, now we're going to go up through these 2 6mm. Pull your thread. Oops, I got caught on my work here. Let's get this situated. There we go. Pull snug. Now 4 11-ohs. 1, 2, 3, 4. One of your white beads. 1, 2, 3, 4 11-ohs. Bring those down. Come up through your top 2 6mm. Pull your thread through. Make sure it's snug and everything's sitting the way it should. There we go. Alright, and go ahead and keep going, and then I will come back and we will finish. We will do the last one together and we will be done. Be right back. Okay, we're back, and I came back to do the last 2 beads with you. So go ahead and put on our 6mm 11-ohs. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 white bead, 4 11-ohs. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Slide those down. And just like you did before, come up through the top 2 spine beads. Sorry, I had to fumble a little bit there. Pull it snug. Now we have to do 4 11-ohs. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1 white bead, 4 11-ohs. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Again, slide them down. Come up through your 2 spine beads. Pull them snug. Put on your last spine bead. Four 11-ohs. 1, 2, 3, and 4. A white bead. 4 11-ohs. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Bring them down. Up to the 2 spine beads. Put that a little bit there. Okay. Pull. There we go. Now 4 11-ohs. 1, 2, 3, 4. Last white bead. 4 11-ohs. 1, 2, 3, and 4. Bring them down. Come up to your last 2 spine beads again. Up. Get it nice and snug. Okay, and now you should have something that looks like this. Very good. Now, you'll notice that this top one wants to kind of flop over on itself. So what I like to do, I'll come down those 4 seed beads, come down through your white bead, come down just want to try to attach it where it's kind of an invisible attachment to the others. Getting through all your beads there. Just like that. You just want to make sure they kind of get secured together so that they're not flopping everywhere. Come up the bottom 4 and come up 2 of the bottom ones and kind of try to line up where your thread is with the other seed beads. When you do that, it'll be the top 2 of your of the bottom one that's right underneath. Come up to those 2, and you're going to go up through your white bead, and that secures those down so they don't flop. They're not flopping around everywhere, and they'll be nice and snug. Now I want you to go ahead and just come up through one of the seed beads and tie a 1/2 inch knot. You just want to secure your thread, and if you want, you could just leave it like this and have a single spiral rope, flat spiral rope bracelet. It'd be very pretty that way. But I'm leaving mine as is so that when I come back on Friday, we can finish it up and we can actually make a double. So right now we have a single. And as I said, it would make for a very pretty bracelet, just like this. Just like it is. It'd be a very pretty bracelet just as a single. But we're going to come back on Friday. And Friday's video is going to be part 2, which is turning the single that we just did into a double like this. And I will put a list of all the materials in the description box, and then number of beads you need for the single and the total number of beads that you're going to need to make the double. And I'll see you on Friday. You guys have a great day. Bye-bye.